among the tributes to Dwayne Haskins, Buckeyes wearing the DH helmet decals in the spring game. A little different format this year, offense going against defense. First drive, CJ Stroud and Jackson Smith-Njigba pick up right where they left off in the Rose Bowl with the 29-yard touchdown pass. Stroud 14 of 22 passing for 120 yards and 1 TD. Second drive, Kyle McCord in the game. He goes over the middle to tight end Joe Royer for the score. McCord 14 of 20, 129 yards and 1 touchdown. Second quarter, the offense really in high gear. Evan Pryor on the ground, a 22-yard touchdown. And then Devin Brown, an early enrollee quarterback, saw extended playing time in the second half, connects with Reese Stockdale for the 19-yard score. Brown, similar to Stroud and McCord, 11 of 24 for 141 yards and 1 touchdown. Brown did throw the lone interception of the game as Cameron Kittle made the juggling pick in the fourth quarter. Defense played tougher in the second half, narrowing the margin, but the Scarlet and the offense win at 34-26 in front of just over 60,000. Mark Coons has more from the Horseshoe.
So as expected, the offense wins the spring game. After all, the scoring system was kind of slanted their way. They could score the normal ways through touchdowns and field goals, while the defense could only pick up points through sacks, 3-and-outs, turnovers, and if they had happened to have scored a touchdown on their own. But Ryan Day says there is excitement about this defense, even if it was very basic in this spring game.
It comes at you fast, and it's exciting to watch. It's exciting to see these guys have energy, be decisive, be physical. So I think when you combine the two of those things, it's exciting over there right now. And going against them every day, offense and defense, it's been a good back and forth, and it's been fun.
Obviously, we were very vanilla and didn't do anything really. But going into the game, I felt great about how far we have come, what we've accomplished, how much we got installed, how the players took to it. I mean, it was as good or better than I could have wished.
This spring was really good to see both offense and defense make plays. The defense has been challenging offense, and of course, we've been challenging them. So it's been good to see back and forth. Definitely excited for it this year.
We make each other better every day, and going against our line, and we just help each other hand in hand. And I'm excited to see all of us gel together and continue to get each other better throughout this year.
The spring game is always equal parts scrimmage, carnival, a happy homecoming for former Buckeyes, a send-off for the next round of NFL Buckeyes. But this year's game had another element to it, as the untimely passing of Dwayne Haskins just 1 week ago was on everyone's mind. There was a DH memorial sticker on all of the helmets, a DH on the field, and for the opening series, CJ Stroud, who wears number 7 like Dwayne Haskins, wore a Haskins nameplate on the back of his jersey. And at halftime, a video tribute that left nary a dry eye in the shoe. And wearing Haskins' name on his back, Stroud says that was a proper send-off for the man he considers a big brother.
Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to honor his last moment in the shoe. So I thought it would have been important for him to go out the right way. So I'm glad that his last play in the shoe was a touchdown. So I'm excited for that.
I know Dwayne meant a lot to CJ. Not that they had a huge relationship, but just that he kind of paved the way for him. And I'll let him kind of talk about that. But I know that it was emotional for CJ.
Yeah, I mean, he's an inspiration. I definitely think Dwayne was a great human being, first and foremost, and he definitely left a legacy here that I watched. He changed the culture, quarterback here.
And Ryan Day admitted one of the reasons why they went live with tackling for a good portion of today's spring game is because of the next game, the highly anticipated Labor Day weekend matchup against Notre Dame right here in Ohio Stadium, as they open up the 100th year of football in the shoe. In Columbus, Mark Coons, BCSN.